Welcome back, and this is just a quick update video. Amazing shorts, absolutely astonishing short coming from here right down to our take profit, the bottom, the May bottom back in not this May, but back in 2021. It was the same bottom. Amazing short. So I'd like to talk about this currently, what I'm seeing in the market right now is increasing DBSI on the daily chart. This is Ethereum. We have a yellow X on Hyken's on Bitcoin. It has confirmed on Bitcoin. Normal candles, it did not, but on Ethereum it did for normal and Hyken, and it confirmed on Hyken candles for Bitcoin. So we have an even deeper red money flow as the daily closed. As you can see here, momentum still has an apex to the upside. Actually, we just crossed under yesterday, which was what our short really profited on here. Unfortunately, I didn't get the most take profit out of this that I could have, because Bitcoin, every time Bitcoin comes to this weekly fib, as you can see, it has multiple times, and it's so much more clear on the hourly. Every single time it touches this weekly fib, shaboom, shaboom, shaboom. So it happened again. We actually dumped under it. I was not active, and it came practically almost all the way out. Our entry's up here, right? Actually, yeah, our entry's up here, and it almost came to our entry and came back down, which, scary, but we're expecting this to continue to dump. I'm pretty sure we're gonna lose this level. I have posted in my Discord, link in the description below, that I did re-enter all of the US. So prior to this dump, before I entered my shorts here, I also sold all of my crypto that I had. I've been DCAing in every week, and I sold all of that right here at this top, just because I was anticipating this move. So I preserved that 15% on Ethereum, because most of what I have is Ethereum. So I preserved that 15% and I re-entered just now right here. So that I saved myself 15% on that. So if we do come down another 20% or something, it it ain't the worst, because it is it's my HODL account, right? I'm just very happy to have made 15% on my HODL. And just in case this is a massive, double bottom type thing going on. I don't think it is, especially with these daily yellow X's confirming. It is possible, however. So I'm putting my money back in for now. And if we lose the level, I might sell at a small loss. And I've definitely made it up for it, even with just this trade that I'm in right now. This is I already took out half of it, and it's still doing crazy well, insane numbers, hundreds of percents up, because I'm 10x leverage, which is way higher risk than I normally use. But I was confident in this move. It was looking pretty good, and it worked out. Definitely, this might even be the best trade to date, and it would have been better because I also had a trade lined up on Dogecoin that never took. It never took. So on the same instance that we went short on Bitcoin and everything, where a Dogecoin was on this weekly fib, so I saw it come to the weekly fib, and I missed out. So it was down here already when I noticed, and I was like, oh crap, I'm gonna put limit orders there, and I put a lot. I put a lot of limit orders there because I knew that when Bitcoin was gonna dump, this Dogecoin was gonna kill it, right? It was gonna die. It was gonna whimper off and die. So I put in a large limit order up here, and we never came. So this is the closest we came to it. We wicked up, and we were just about 0.6% away. I think my limit order is still It is. It's still active. I'm gonna cancel it now. So my limit order never took. I would have made a killing off that though, man. But that would just be in addition to my SHIB, Bitcoin, and Ethereum shorts. Also wanted to short Cardano and Solana, but I just ran out of US dollar tether. Well, I didn't. Well, on my trade accounts. I don't put everything into my trade account, right? So I ran out of US dollar tether on my trade accounts to short these. Unfortunately, these have also made killings since that top. 16% on ADA, and if I did Solana, also red as hell. If I did Solana, 21%. Wow, yeah, these would have been killers. So, besides me obviously doing very well, the market is not. We are still bearish, and I am expecting to lose this level and go down another 12% on Bitcoin. I'm expecting that, okay? Is it going to happen? No idea. It seems more than probable so, with the money flow coming deeper into the red, momentum apexing downwards with increasing bearish DBSI and bearish indicators, the yellow X on the daily, right, confirmed. VWAP was over the zero line forever, slowly decreasing, finally crossed down. That's what created that yellow X. RSI is looking pitiful, still decreasing down even in the short term and the long term. Right, so not looking good for people who don't know how to trade. But we're getting really good entries, and I think we're nearing a bottom, right? So if we lose this level, we have some spider lines, some spooder lines to look at around 2400. A lot of people, I love Evan Aldo, he's been talking about 2400 for a long time, and I think if we came to 2400, right, that level, that would be a great level because we would probably not move that much in momentum, and we would have a bullish divergence with a lower low on Bitcoin and a higher high on the oscillator, on the momentum oscillator, and that would be a bullish divergence. And on the daily, that would be pretty powerful. It would look good. But generally, what I see from my trades, what I like to do, is I go from weekly fib to weekly fib. So you see these blue lines on my chart, right? We went to the weekly fib. It pumped off the weekly fib. Where'd it go? It went to the next weekly fib. Sure, it went a little bit over, just like it went a little bit under, but it goes from weekly fib to weekly fib. That's how I trade, right? So when we lost this weekly fib, we looked at this one. We lost this one, it went to this one. If we lose this one, I'm going to expect it. I will not be surprised if it goes to the next weekly fib at 17,000. So that is a major drop, almost 40% as where we are right now, and definitely where we have been. And CryptoFace has been talking about 17,000 a lot in his streams and his posts. You can go to his Twitter. He posted, I think he was looking at right now $17,000 roughly, 18 to 16,000 area range, and I think he said like 8,000 or something, where he would be looking to DCA in. He'd buy right now, buy a lot down here, and if we do go this low, buy a lot down there. That's what CryptoFace posted, right? Go ahead and go to his Twitter or his Discord if you have access to that and read up on it um, to get the actual quotes. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at today. Sorry for rambling for too long. See y'all in the next one.